So as you can see, it's literally slippy. I'm slipping down, I'm sliding down this road. So be quiet. You. All right, check this out. So what I'm trying to say is everything is slippery. You can't even walk down the street without falling down and breaking something. So be careful if you're out here.
Not everybody in car business, all right, mechanics and auto business are scammers, okay? I just want to say this straight up. Most people are just trying to make their money. But what I'm trying to say is, look, do not get ripped off. Because tire companies and used tires especially, you're buying junk. You're putting your life at risk. Look at this, all right? Look at this tire. You think it's going to do anything here? No. Your car is just going to slip and slide. Look at this. This is nothing but ice. Roads are covered in ice, so you need a good tire. And if you're buying a used tire, you're putting your family, your life at risk, and your girl at risk. Sorry, ladies. I mean, honestly, think about it. You think your girl want to be in a car with you? First off, you're driving a 2000 Civic. Beat up, rusted Civic. Yeah, it runs. But you think your lady's going to respect you? Trust me, she won't. She might hang with you, chill with you, because you young, you trying to come up. But then she going to realize that you ain't got nothing. Just like this tire. It's worthless. It's got no grip. See, when you buy a used tire, you got to watch out. Because it looks good before you mount the tire. This is important. People don't realize before you mount the tire, before you put air in your tire, yeah, it looks okay. It looks, wow, look at this. It's got a grip. It's got these suction cups. It's got depth to it. But then when you put the tire on, you put some air in it, and they don't put enough air in it anyway. You know, when you get a used tire, they don't put enough air in it. They just kind of make it look like, yeah. I get some McDonald's here real quick, but I want to say something. You know, I want to say that you watch your back. Watch out for this black ice. Black ice is hard to see. People crack their heads every single day just walking out to try to get to their car in the morning, especially up north, northwest, northeast. Lots of snow, lots of ice, black ice. It's deadly. People die every day. So you need a good tire. I ain't even lying. You need a good tire. And even if you buy a tire from a discount store, you got to watch out because you're buying a cheap tire that's going to be loud as hell. You go down the highway and it's going to go. You're going to go down the snow, bunch of rocks, and it's going to go. You know what I mean? You got to buy a good tire. A tire that's designed to sound good, grip, and last, and have a warranty on it. My kids are crying, so I gotta finish up.
So what I'm trying to say is tires are everything. A good tire is everything. You don't necessarily need a four-wheel drive or big wheels, big tires, and all-wheel drives and big pickup trucks and Jeeps. You need a good tire, okay? I can guarantee you that being in the business for a very long time, I've changed hundreds of tires, okay? And I realize sometimes you're broke, you ain't got the money, you just gotta make do, but you know what? You're putting yourself and your life at risk. So always have a good tire, have a spare, and have enough air in your tire also, okay? It doesn't have to rain. You don't have to see black ice or have a bunch of snow. You can just be driving down the street and you have a bad tire and it pops and you know what happens. Thousands and thousands of people die because of lack of knowledge. Thousands of people die every single year because of bad tires. So get yourself a good tire. Spend some money. Invest some money in yourself, in your vehicle. Make sure there's a warranty too. God bless. Bye-bye.